Namaste dear students. In the last few classes we were discussing about time series. The third measure of method of measuring trend, that is method of moving averages we were discussing, right. We saw method of moving averages when the period is odd. When the period is odd means when we have to find 3 yearly, 5 yearly, 7 yearly etc. moving averages. It is not much difficult, isn't it? 3 year sales or whatever may be the variable that we are calculating, that we are taking the sum and we are writing the middlemost. Similarly, leave the first observation, next 3 observations, total we are writing in the middlemost. Like that we are doing. There won't be, similarly last column trend values are finding by dividing these moving totals divided by 3. Isn't it? If 3 yearly, if it is 5 yearly means 5 moving total we are taking right in the middlemost, then last trend values are founding divided by 5. Similarly 7 yearly means 7 moving total we have to find, we are writing in the middlemost, last divided by 7. So, it is not much difficult. Here actually the trend values really coincide with the actual time periods, that is in the middlemost. So, while computing 3 yearly moving totals, there won't be trend values for the first one and last one. If we are finding 5 yearly means there won't be trend values for first 2 and last 2. Similarly, if we are calculating 7 yearly trend values means 7 yearly moving averages means there won't be trend values for first 3 and last 3. So, we did the problems also. Next we came to centered moving averages. Centered moving averages are calculated when the period of moving average is even. Means when 2 yearly, 4 yearly, 6 yearly, at that time actually moving totals doesn't coincide with the actual time periods. So, it comes in the middlemost, in between 2 years. So, what we are doing is again we are computing 2 yearly moving totals of the previous column, then last trend values is divided by 2m. 2 into m is the period of moving average. 4 yearly ಆದರೆ divided by 8, 2 yearly ಆದರೆ divided by 4. Similarly 6 yearly means divided by 12, last column. So, that is the difference. Here while computing these centered moving averages, you have to leave one space, so that it will be clear where it coincide, so that it is easy to do the trend line also, graph of both trend line and histogram. Can we do one more problem of 4 yearly centered moving averages? One more problem we will do. Okay. See, compute the trend values. Next problem, compute the trend values. Compute the trend values by finding 4 yearly moving averages. By 4 yearly moving averages. We did one graph. If we have time means we will do one more graph of this. Also graph, sometimes graph may be asked. Year and value. Year, next value. Year, value. Year 1998 onwards, 1998, 1999, 2000, next 2001, 2002, 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006. So, 6 that much. 103, 104, 103, 104, 107, 101, 107, 101, 102, 104, 102, 104, 105, 99, 105, 99, 100. Okay. We have to, what we have to do? We have to compute 4 yearly moving averages, 4 yearly centered moving averages. So what first step is you have to write the procedure. So whatever may be the problem, whether it is 3 yearly or 5 yearly, moving averages, while finding moving averages in the solution, first you have to write the procedure, what you are going to do. Procedure actually carries 1 mark, remember. Next only columns, tables, that one. After that conclusion. So all 3 must be there. So first write the procedure. I will write the procedure here. What is the procedure here? M equal to M. I am taking moving average period. Moving average period is 4, isn't it? M equal to 4 is an even number. Even number. So when even number comes initially, we are finding 4 yearly moving totals itself. Initially 4 yearly moving totals are obtained. Initially 4 yearly moving totals are obtained. Initially 4 yearly moving totals are obtained. Then what? Then 2 period moving totals of these moving totals are obtained. Then again we have to find 2 period moving totals, because if we do directly trend values means it doesn't coincide with the actual time period. So in centered moving averages, this method we are following. Then 2 period moving total, 2 period moving total of these moving totals are obtained. Of these moving totals are obtained. Then each of these are divided by 2m equal to 8 to get the trend values. Then each of these are divided by 2m equal to 8 to get the trend values. Okay. So while doing the solution, you have to write the procedure. So whatever may be the problem, first you have to write the procedure. After that we are going to do the columns table. So I will rub this one, else I won't get much space. So it is space is required how many? 98 onwards, 98 to 2006. So I am rubbing this one. Okay, solution I will do here. First which one? Year and value, right? Year. Second one value. Third one 4 yearly moving totals. 4 yearly moving totals. Next 2 period moving total of previous column. 2 period moving total of previous column. Last one trend values. So remember, this much columns are required to find centered moving averages. So while finding centered moving averages, this much will be there. So here if it is 2 yearly means here comes 2 period. Again 2 period moving total doesn't change, that is same. Here only changes. If it is 2 period means 2 yearly first we have to find. If it is 6 yearly means 6 yearly we have to find. Clear na? So next we will do this one. Okay. First leave 1 space. Remember this is centered moving averages. So it starts from 1998. 1999, 2000, 2001, 2002, 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006. 2006. Clear na, this much only. 103, 104, that you have to write against each year only. Remember, don't leave space for that. Against respective years only you have to write the values. 103, next 104, next 107, 101, 102, 101, 102, 104, 105, 104, 105, 9900, 9900. So first what I have to do? First I have to compute 4 yearly moving totals. 4 period moving total I have to compute, isn't it? 4 yearly. So 4 yearly means 103 plus 104 plus 107 plus 101, right in the middlemost, that is in between 99 and 2000 or 104 and 107. Here I have to write. So total 415. Here it is 415. Clear na? 103 plus 104 plus 107 plus 101, right in the middlemost, that is against second year and third year, that is 415. Okay, next leave first one, next 4. 104 plus 107 plus 101 plus 102, right in the middlemost, that is 414. Here it comes 414. Next leave this one, next for 107 plus 101 plus 102 plus 104, right in the middlemost, that is again 414. That is 414 again. Next 412. Next leave this one, next 4, it is 412. Next 410. Next here it is 410. Hope it is clear to you. 1 leave 1 next 4 total. Okay, right in the middlemost. Middlemost is in between 2 years. 102, 104, right in the one. Next leave this one. So this one we left, it seems 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that 410 over. 410 over. Idannu nodi aitu. Next 4. Last one. Last is 408. 408. So next 3 only we are leaving that one. Clear na? Yes. After that what we have to do? See here, if we do directly this one, 415 divided by 4 if I do means it doesn't coincide with the actual time point. So what we are doing is, again we are taking 2 period moving total, that is 415 plus 414, right in the middlemost, that is 829. 829. 415 plus 414, right in the middlemost, that is 829, that is against the year 2000. Next one is leave first one, next 2. This one you leave. 414 plus 414, 828, right in the middlemost. Leave this one, next 2. 414 plus 412, 826. 826. Leave this one, next 2. 412 plus 410, 822. 822. Correct na? Last 818. 818. 818. Okay, these 2 over. Okay. Next what I have to do? These are actually 2 period moving totals of previous column. Last one is trend values. Trend value means these totals divided by 8, not 4. Remember again, it is divided by 2m, m equal to 4, it is, so it is 8. So 829 divided by 8. 829 divided by 8, 103.6, right in the against itself, this one divided by 8. So it coincide with the actual time points, that is against 2000. Next 103.6 over. Next one is 103.5. 103.5. 103.3. 103.3. Next 102.8. last 102.3. Okay. Now see the observations. See the trend values here, 103.6, 103.5, 103.3, 102.8, 102.3 means what? The given trend values are yes decreasing, isn't it? So the given data shows a downward trend. You have to write a conclusion. Here you have to write the given data shows downward trend. The given data shows downward trend. Okay. Next, can we do the graph? Plot the graph. In the question I didn't write. Actually, if they asked means we have to draw the graph also. Can we do the graph? First graph, in the graph first you have to write the title of the graph. Title is construction of trend line. On the graph itself you have to do construction of trend line by 4 yearly moving averages. By 4 yearly moving averages. Next, mark x axis and y axis. Mark x axis, y axis. So here it 0. Here year. Along x axis every time we are taking year or time, whatever may be given time. In the year sometimes days, whatever it may be. So time we are taking along x axis. Here it is year. Year we are taking along x axis. X axis only 1998, 99, 2000, 2001, 2002, 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006. Correct now? Next, along y axis, which one we are taking? Along y axis it is value. Value we are taking along the y axis. So value, it starts from take. See, remember one thing, while taking values, so value you have to see which is the lowest and which is the highest value, including trend values also. So trend values allo which is the lowest one and which is the highest one we have to see. So usually in between irtade, idra smallest mattu highest na middle alle irtade idu. It you check once because these must be there for finding, for drawing trend line, isn't it? So idralli lowest value is 99, highest value is 107. Here also comes in between only. So here they took 103, okay. It starts from 99, right? 98 onwards we will take. 98, 2 I will take 100, 102, 104, 106, 108. 108. Okay. 98. Here 0 to 98. After that 2 years. 108 highest, right? 107. Okay. So here 0 to 98, this one we are not considering. So this is a false baseline. This is false baseline. Next, draw the histogram. Histogram means actual time series data. Graph of 1998 103. 1998 103, that is in between 102 and 104 midpoint. 99 104. 104, 2000, 107, 107, 2001, 101, 101, here it is, and 2002, 102, 102 somewhat here, okay, 2003, 104, 104, next 2004, 105, 105. Okay, this one and this one, just remember this one and this one. 2003, 104, 2004, 105, 2004, 105, I did 2006, 100. sorry 2005 I didn't do, it seems. 104 here, 2004 105, 2004 105 that I did. 2005 99, okay, sorry, 99 here it comes. Last 2006 is 100, 100 comes bit up 100, right na? Okay, tumba mele illa, just here. Okay, draw these points using scale. Straight line here, here, next using scale only you have to join. So this is which one? All the points. This is actually histogram. This is histogram. After that what we have to do? We have to draw the trend line. So trend line means year and trend values, year and trend values. Year first year igilla 98 no value, 99 also no trend value, 2000 onwards, 2000 it is 103.6, 2000 103.6 exactly you want to get 103 0.2 ಹಾಗೆ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ 103.6 here. 2002 103.5, 2001 okay, 2001 103.5, somewhat there only it comes. Next 103.3, 103.3, next 2003 ಗೆ 102.8, 102.8, next 2004 102.3 here only, 3 means here bit, okay. Using a dotted line join them using dotted line, only small one we are getting, right? First two and last two trend values won't be there. So this is our trend line, this is a trend line, okay. Hope this is clear to you, okay. After that what we have to write? We have to write the scale. Don't forget, you have to write the scale. So scale x axis 1 centimeter equal to how many units? 1 unit or 1 year, any 1 unit also you can write, or 1 year. Y axis 1 centimeter equal to how much? See, scale applies only after false baseline 0 to 98, this difference we are not considering. So only I draw this false baseline. So here 2 units. So 1 centimeter equal to 2 units. Okay, clear na this one? Yes. So what we did, first 4 yearly moving total we have to compute, write in the middlemost, leave first one, next 4, write in the middlemost, leave second one, next 4, write in the middlemost, like that we did. After that 2 period moving total of previous column, that is 2 moving totals, write in the middlemost. Last trend values means this one divided by 8, this one divided by 8 to get the trend values, okay. Next we drew the histogram and trend line. So while drawing the graph, title must be there, scale must be there, you have to mark x axis, y axis, mark the variables along y axis and x axis, then draw histogram and mark the points for histogram, next for trend line, both you have to draw. Then you have to mark which one is histogram and which one is trend line. If this much is there, then only you will get that much marks, okay. Clear na? Next can we do one 2 period moving total 2 yearly moving average problem, we will do one, okay. This is a 4 yearly centered moving averages. This one important, usually asked for your exams. So moving averages problem actually easy also, you can do, not much difficult. If you know the procedure, it is very easy to do, just adding the things then taking the average. So next one problem, find 2 yearly centered moving averages. Second problem, find 2 yearly centered moving averages. Moving averages. Year production. Year production. Year production in tons. Year production in tons. 1996. Next 1997. 1998. Up to 2002. 1999. 2000. 2001. 2002. Okay. 42, 37. 37, 28, 33, 28, 33, 34, 33, last 30. Okay, so here what we have to do? We have to find 2 yearly centered moving averages. What is the procedure here? Yes, procedure is first we have to compute 2 period moving total, then 2 item moving total of the previous column. Again we have to find 2 period 2 item moving total of previous column, then last trend values that are divided by 4. Okay, procedure you have to write. I will write the procedure here. Here m equal to 2 is an even number. Is an even number. Initially 2 yearly moving totals are obtained. Initially 2 yearly moving totals are obtained. Moving totals are obtained. Okay. Then 2 period moving totals of previous column. Then 2 period moving totals of 2 period moving totals of previous column are obtained. Then each of these are divided by 2m equal to 4 to get the trend values. Okay, this much is there. Lengthier you have to write, however. Next we will do year production. From here onwards I will write. So here also we have to leave the spaces. I will rub the question here. Okay. Year and production. Year. Next production in tons, 1000 tons. Next third one is 2 yearly moving totals. Next one 2 period moving total of previous column. Moving total of previous column. Last trend values. Last is trend values. First starting from 96, right? 1996. So 1996. So here also you have to leave the space. 1997. Next 1998. 1999. 2000. 2001. 2002. 2002. clear na. So next write the production in 1000 tons actually, in 1000 tons. So okay, in tons, not 1000 tons, they gave in tons. Okay, 42, 37, 28, 33, 34, 33, 30. Okay, first 2 yearly moving total. How to write a 2 year na moving total, right in the middlemost. So first one 42 plus 37, 79, right in the middlemost. 37 plus 28, right in the middlemost. 65, correct na. Next one is 61, these two right in the middlemost. Leave this one, next 2, 33 plus, that is 67, right in the middlemost. Next again this one 2, that is again 37, leave this one, next 2, that is 63, right in the middlemost. 2 with the moving total I found. Okay, clear na. 2 moving totals I found. After that 2 period moving total of previous column, again 2 ಮಾಡಿ ಅದರ moving total. 79 plus 65, that is 144, these two. Next leave this one, next 2, 65 plus 61, right in the middlemost, that is 126. Next leave this one, these two, 7 plus 1, 8, 6 plus 6, 12, 128. Next leave this one, next 2, 67 plus 67, that is 134, right in the middlemost. Next leave this one, next 2, 67 plus 63, that is 130, right in the middlemost. Last column trend values are divided by how much? This one divided by 2m. 2m is 4. Okay, 144 divided by 4, 36. Second one 31.5. This one divided by 4. This one 128 divided by 4, that is 32. This one divided by 4, 33.5. And last one is 32.5. So here there won't be trend values for this one and first one, it won't be there. Okay, just see the observation. 36, 31.5, 32, again 33, again 30, means what? ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, then again increased, again decreased, like that. So the given data shows oscillatory trend. The given data shows oscillatory trend. The given data shows that is a conclusion. You have to write the conclusion. Whether they asked or not, you have to write the conclusion. The given data shows oscillatory trend. Oscillatory trend. Oscillatory trend. Clear na? So centered moving averages over. Usually 4 yearly they are asking, 2 periods sometimes only they will ask. So just you must know the procedure. Okay, next some more problems means I think moving averages problems are clear to you. Next last method, that is method of least squares, that we will discuss in the next class. Thank you.